Niaje watu wangu, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Anonymous Team, and today we travel with Dim Wango all the way to Tanzania to meet the Hadzabe tribe. Without further ado, without talking a lot, let's go, let's get it.
Fingers crossed. Let's do this. And have you subscribed? Well, do so if you haven't already, and let's do this.
That scene looks really beautiful. FYI. Inakaa poa sana. It looks really beautiful. Wait, am I going to get a copyright strike for that song? Unajua Dimonga kwa level flani, she can, I think, use people's songs and not get a copyright strike. But yo, the scenes are just amazing. Let me just mute it on this point and proceed. Look at that, man. So beautiful, man. So beautiful. Wow, shit. This looks like it even looks like some parts of Kenya. Wow, bana, shit. This. I think this is a place I would go. Yeah, this is a place I would go. Let's see, let me. Yeah, yes. Wow, look at those beautiful scenes, yo. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, for once I've decided to make a different type of video. You know, mostly people think I hate on Ayamaro and Dimongo, but as you guys have seen on our recent videos, especially the reactors who react on Dimongo and Ayamaro, you know, we've been defending Ayamaro for, you know, especially on that issue of the Polish girl. Yeah, on that issue of the Polish girl trying to, you know, paint him as a rapist, man. You know, Ayamaro can be a lot of things, but one thing I do know about the guy, he's not a rapist. He is a ladies man, but no, he's not a rapist, man. So let's listen into what Dim Wango has to say.
And guys, I'm not alone. I'm here with
Fecha Sharon here
on YouTube.
Fecha Sharon.
Yes, my Tanzanian brother. You know, in Africa, it's all about connection. If you have no connection, you can make it, man. So thank you so much, Fesha, for the invite and for also bringing me to this amazing place. And also, I have
Laurent Kazimoto here. On YouTube, we just check out Afri content
and subscribe.
Yes, you subscribe.
Together with our tour guides.
Yes, Frankie
Jaluo.
Hassan
Bakari. So guys, welcome to this amazing episode from the previous video.
Hassan Bakari seems like a far-fetched name if you ask me. Kwani kila mtu anaitwa Hassan Bakari? You know, if you go to Mombasa, Kenya, you'll find a lot of Hassan Bakaris. But hey, probably anaitwa tu Hassan Bakari.
Yeah, in Tanzania actually, and I decided to set on a journey to this place so that I can bring you these amazing episodes. So welcome to the bush life, guys. As you all see from the environment, this is how they live. Although this is just a house, it's empty for now. Nobody is in here. It's just vacant. But this is how they live their life here. So guys, welcome to the forest. We just wanna keep going in search of them. So please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already.
Do they honestly sleep on the ground? I don't think so. I do know they sleep. You know, okay, they could. Remember, this is an indigenous tribe, right? I've seen a lot of videos regarding the Hadzabe tribe, but I don't recall them sleeping on the ground like that. Because you know, on the ground there's a lot of jiggers. You know, a lot of you know, insects that can, you know, harm you. So sleeping on the ground, and even here in Kenya, we have like tribes like the Maasai. They have like they create their own types of beds, special types of beds. What? No, they are not wood beds. They are like mud beds. And okay, it's hard to explain. I guess I'd have to show you that. But even with the Hadzabe tribe, I'm not so sure whether they sleep on the ground. If it's so, then wow, that's really extreme. But it is what it is anyway. If they are indigenous tribes, so definitely it could be so.
Or Hadzabe. Wow. Guys, this is just but the beginning. Huh? Kudu. So the hunters and gatherers, as I told you, so yeah, they're already done with this, Wow, look at that. Hey, skulls. Wow, guys. Hey. Meet my friend Shako, a young guy dressed in an animal skin, as you all see, tied around his back. This is to symbolize how great he is in the hunting activities, which is their main activity here. And actually they're good tree climbers, because on top of the tree is one of their favorite places to take a rest. And guys, this is part of their hunting gears. This is the bow. They use it for hunting, and alongside they have the arrows, because you cannot hunt without the arrows and the bows. So welcome to the Hadzabe tribe, guys, where I'm gonna share with you amazing experiences. Without forgetting, guys, here are some of the skulls just to show how great they are in their hunting activities, being their major economic and survival trick here in the forest. Shako is having a rest on top of the tree as we get ready to go on a hunting activity, which is part of this adventure, and I can't wait to take you along. For sure, this is an adventure to remember.
Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting, Abu. Hey, okay. Okay, that dialect sounds pretty much similar to the Khoisan dialect. If you know the Khoisan tribe from, is it South Africa? Yeah, I think it's in the Southern African area, the Khoisan tribe. They have that, that's when they speak, they have that. Even other tribes, I think even the Hosa tribe from South Africa have that. So that's very similar. It's interesting, huh?
Tribe, guys, we have a lot to share today. Did I mention this Hadzabe tribe? There are approximately 1,000 to 2,000 people here, and they live in camps, and actually you can find them in different locations. So as we get ready to go for our hunting activities, we have to give them some time for them to recharge. As you all see, they're recharging in their own local way, and also as they get to pray secretly for the hunting activity to be
Yo, Dimongo is being a bit modest here, guys. They're smoking weed. These guys are, avid weed smokers. Marijuana smokers.
With rich culture. The Hadzabe tribe being part of them. As you all see, they're uniquely dressed with animal skins, because it symbolizes how smart or how good they are in the hunting activities, which is their major economic activity here. So guys, after a few minutes, I'll get to take you where the women are, because they don't mix most of the times. They only come together during specific occasions, maybe when there's a party or when they need to celebrate such occasions. It's when they get to mix. So guys, let's go where the women are. So guys, welcome to where the women are. Actually, they stay separately, men and women. Tanai. Tanai.
Okay, they fist pump. Wow. Okay, wow. That's awesome.
Tanai.
Or probably they do that to avoid. Some of these indigenous tribes are kept away from, mostly the public because of harmful diseases and stuff. Of course, with advancement in technology and stuff, the Hadzabe tribe are being taken are very well taken care of by the Tanzanian government, just to maintain the culture, right? And I guess them fist pumping is a way of them like trying to avoid those diseases from the outside, diseases that would probably kill them.
This is part of their economic activities here. And this is an animal skin. Looks really nice. Wow. So guys, we're still just getting ready to go and hunt, and I thought, why not take you.
These guys love eating monkeys, man. In this episode, did they get a monkey? Let's see.
Oh, we have another catch here, guys. A pigeon. It's alive. Wow. Good job. So guys, this is the life of the Hadzabe tribe here in Tanzania, and this is their lifestyle, hunting. We've been hunting for so long, but at least we got something, you know, and this teaches me something about life. You have to be patient, and it's not that easy, man, you know. So we're still in our hunt. We're not yet done yet. Let's see how it goes.
You know, I don't know if YouTube is going to allow this. I hope this video doesn't get taken down. You know, YouTube doesn't like such type of videos that show animals being harmed.
Wow, we keep going. Okay, guys, please give the video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, as I take you along this journey. So we rest as well.
Yes, sir. So I'm not going to react on the whole of this video. Make sure you head over to Dimwango's YouTube channel and watch the whole video there. Make sure to like my content as well. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to comment under my, YouTube videos. Make sure you like so that to spread the algorithm and shit like that. Yes. See you on the next one, man. Yes, sir.